हाय गाइस, तो आपको एक गुड न्यूज़ देता हूँ। रिसेंटली मैं एक शादी में गया था और वहाँ पे फॉर सम रीज़न मुझे भी शगुन का लिफाफा मिला। तो अब ये शगुन का लिफाफा मेरे इनकम में एक बहुत बड़ा एडिशन करके चला गया। तो बेसिकली मेरे लाइफ के बैलेंस शीट पे ये एक एक्सेप्शनल आइटम बन गया। अब एक्सेप्शनल आइटम्स कंपनीज के लिए क्या होते हैं वो मैं आपको आज इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा। वेलकम टू अ न्यू सीरीज लर्न विद अपस्टॉक्स। आई एम आदित्य अयंगर और इस सीरीज में हम बात करेंगे अबाउट सम की एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस, corporate actions and some important general concepts about the stock market. So in this video we'll talk about exceptional items on the balance sheet और आपने उन्हें कैसे इंटरप्रेट करना है. So let's get started. So if you look for the December 2020 quarter for the pharmaceutical company Aurobindo Pharma, you'll notice a 2946 crore rupee gain in just one quarter, especially when the previous quarter profit was just around 705 crores. So what does this mean? Did Auro Pharma increase their profits by 4 times when other pharmaceutical companies had business as usual? Or is this just a one-time thing? In this case, it was the latter. हुआ यूं कि कंपनी ने नैट्रॉल एलएलसी नाम की अपनी ही एक सब्सिडियरी के एसेट्स डिस्पोज कर दिए.
They were sold off for a gain of almost 3094 crores.
अभी टैक्स और बाकी कॉस्ट डिडक्ट करने के बाद the company was left with 2946 crores in profits.
Wherein it mentioned that the sale was made with respect to a debt reduction objective and to take on new strategic initiatives.
And they thought that they needed some restructuring with their investments. This is what we call an exceptional item in the financials. It can be anything like the sale of an investment, an asset, or just a sudden change in government policy that impacts the earnings of the company. In this case, a 400% jump in the earnings isn't something that happens all the time or just happens overnight by miracle. The jump was only caused by an exceptional event, which in this case was the sale of the subsidiary. So every time you analyze the financials, don't just burst out in happiness. If you see figures like these, उसके पीछे का reason पता करने की कोशिश करना. It will make sure that you don't buy into the hype. Can you let us know in the comments any other exceptional events you could think of? So that's it for now. Thank you for watching our video on exceptional items on our series Learn with Upstocks. I hope you learned something today, and if you find value in these videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions regarding the video, do leave us a comment below and mention any exceptional items that you can think of in recent times. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get a notification of our latest videos.